Mastering Gender-Neutral Titles in Formal English. Hello and welcome to our new English language learning video. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of gender-neutral titles and their usage in formal greetings. This topic is especially important today as we become more conscious about promoting equality and inclusivity. When we greet someone formally, we often use titles such as Mr., Mrs., or Miss, followed by the person's surname. However, these titles denote a person's gender and marital status. In many contexts today, it's more appropriate to use a gender-neutral title. The most common gender-neutral title is MX, pronounced as mix or mux, which can be used regardless of a person's gender identity or marital status. Here's how it looks in a formal greeting. Good morning, Mix Smith. It's best to use gender-neutral titles when you're unsure of a person's gender or preferred title, or when the person has expressed a preference for a gender-neutral title. It's always respectful to ask if you're unsure. For example, "May I know your preferred title?" This question shows that you respect the individual's identity and are sensitive to their preferences. Remember, using the correct titles is all about respecting individual preferences and identities. While MX is the most commonly used gender-neutral title, some people may prefer other titles, or no title at all. Therefore, it's always a good idea to ask whenever possible. And that's a wrap on our lesson about gender-neutral titles in formal English greetings. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the importance of using the appropriate titles when greeting others, especially in formal contexts. Remember, it's all about respect and inclusivity. Stay tuned for our next video, and keep up the great work in your English language journey.